My name is April Littman, and I am the business owner and lead designer at Neighbor Interiors. We're a full-service design firm located here in Richmond, Texas. We not only do residential projects, we also work with multifamily developers all throughout Houston, and also we've taken on projects throughout the U.S. From my parents to my grandparents, my husband, everyone has really always supported my dreams, which has been wonderful. Whenever you're passionate about something and you're surrounded by people who believe in what you're doing. We focus on being a full-service interior design firm. So what that means is we take care of everything from the first day you meet us to the end of the project. We're making sure behind the scenes that everything is going to plan. Our homes are really they're our safe havens, right? So when you come home from work or from the grocery store or whatever it is where you're coming home, home is really somewhere for you to retreat, and it's a place of safety and comfort. We work really intimately with these clients. We talk to them every day. Sometimes, if it's not every day, it's at least once a week on their project progress, and we really develop a friendship and a relationship with our clients. And so we're totally invested in making sure that their home is exactly what they want and making sure that it is everything that they could dream of.
She's so talented. She's super easy to work with and sweet. She listens to what you want. So for instance, in my dining room, which April designed for me, it was very traditional. We wanted something new, a little bit more modern, and she introduced me to the transitional style. We're just super happy with every room. It's like Christmas every day, getting to have a new, beautiful space to live in.
One of the most rewarding aspects of my job is seeing the client's face at the final reveal of the project. And your chairs, do you want to have a seat? Try out your new chairs, and they swivel.
Nice. I love it.
It honestly is a privilege for us to be welcomed into our clients' homes and create a space for them that they feel proud of and that they are excited to come home to. We really feel like the sky is the limit at this point with Neighbor, and we really just can't wait to see what's to come.